Today we're going to bring the Flare X5 DDR5. This is a 6000. We're going to install it. There's no RGB lights, just basic colors. But down the line, you can always add RGB light or replace the actual memory. This is going to be 32 gigs for MDDR5 motherboards. Setting up with the memory. And we found out that the label goes out that way first. So the way it works, once you go down, you have to click them down, make sure that they snapped in. Go ahead and push them down until they actually, there you go. So that's, they clipped in there. Now the next one, make sure you open these up. These open up on both sides.
Yeah.
All right, so just turn it on. This is what we got. We got the sequel. Now it's time to set up the Windows. Setting up the new Windows on the system, it's working very well. So let's set it up. We got the mouse and keyboard. We're gonna play in gloss, install. Buy your license and you should be good.
Okay.